Welcome back to Tila Fashion. On today's video, I'm showing you how I made this headband. It's a really simple project that you could produce in bulk to sell or to gift to your loved ones. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I have my piece of fabric already cut out here, and it is measured 22 inches by 8 inches. So the average head size or head circumference is about 22 inches. So that's why we're using 22 inches here. It would fit most people. And I'm using stretchy fabric for this, and it has a 4-way stretch. But if yours has just a 2-way stretch, that's fine, as long as it is along the length, the 22 inches length. You can use stretchy fabric like spandex, lycra, or ribbed fabric. Whatever stretchy fabric is good. So you want to take notes of the right side and the wrong side of your fabric, and you want to fold your fabric right side facing each other, just like this. And you're going to go ahead to sew the long edge together by about 1/4 inch. I used a straight stitch, but you could use a zigzag stitch, which is preferable for stretchy fabrics. After doing that, I put the seam I had just made in the middle. I opened it up and ironed the seam allowance. I went ahead to turn it inside out, and I want to centralize the seam line. And in order to centralize the seam line, I went ahead to notch the middle on both ends so that I can then centralize or put the seam line at the middle. At this point, I went ahead to join the two ends together by first placing them right side facing each other, and then I moved the one on top to the left, and you want the one at the bottom to align with the seam line of the one on top, and the same thing, you want the one on top to align with the seam line of the one at the bottom. And then you're going to fold the one on top away from you and fold the one at the bottom towards you. You can use pins to secure this before going ahead to sewing your sewing machine. I had issues sewing mine because my fabric was a little too thick, but I was able to salvage it and sew. After doing that, you want to trim off the excess. I went ahead to open the headband up and tuck in the seam, but the excess from the seam was still showing, so I went ahead to trim it off a little more, and the headband is finally ready. So yeah, it's a really simple, really easy project. You can produce about 20 of these daily. But I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment down below. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video.